a lot of people, the way they perceive our work is that we are trying to bring children back to school, but that's not really where our story ends. What we are typically trying to do is we are trying to bring hope, back in the children's childhood. उनके बचपन में हम एक उम्मीद लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं हमारे काम के ज़रिए. तो इंडिया में there are millions of children who do not stop their education because they lack the potential. That only happens because of different factors around them. For example, migration, poverty, displacement, the work of the parents, which takes them from one place to the other. And in reality, basically, a child is not really choosing, where he or she is born, what their parents are going to be doing, and where they are going to be working. So all these factors should not really decide whether they actually should be able to get access to education or not. So the work that we do within DIFI is actually to empower the local youth so they can become really strong community teacher leaders for these children, and make sure that these children have a very solid support ecosystem through which they're able to thrive, they're able to continue their education wherever they are in the country, and literally sort of become active, informed, caring and compassionate citizens of this country. क्योंकि जब हम एक बच्चे के साथ काम करते हैं तो हम केवल एक फ्यूचर नहीं सुधार रहे, बट उसके आसपास उसकी फैमिली, एक पूरी कम्युनिटी, एंड देन लार्जली वी आर कंट्रीब्यूटिंग टू the nation's progress and development. So that's about it.